In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up TradingView Chart. By the end, you'll know how to open a chart, choose the market you want to analyze, select a chart type, and set a time frame that fits your approach. We'll keep it simple and practical so you can start charting with confidence right away. First, let's open a chart. Head to the TradingView website. On the homepage, look for the Chart button. Sometimes it's labeled simply as Chart, and other times you'll find it under Products as Supercharts. Click that, and a default chart will load automatically. Don't worry if it isn't the asset you want or if the layout looks unfamiliar. This is just the starting canvas and you're already in the right place. Next, choose your market, also called the symbol. At the top left of the chart, you'll see the current ticker symbol. Click it to open the search box. Type what you're after. XAUUSD if you want gold, BTCUSD for a popular crypto pair, or AAPL if you're looking at a well-known stock. When you see the symbol you want, click it. The chart will update instantly. If multiple exchanges or data sources appear, pick the one you trust or the one most relevant to your trading. This ensures your prices and volume reflect the market you actually care about. Now set your chart type using the top toolbar. You'll see options like candles, line, and bars. Candlesticks are the go-to for most traders because they show the open, high, low, and close for each period, plus momentum at a glance through color and candle bodies. A line chart is simpler. It connects closing prices and can be great for quick trend checks. Bars contain the same data as candles but display it differently. If you're just starting out, stick with candles for the most informative view. Finally, choose your time frame. The buttons along the top let you switch how much time each bar or candle represents. 1 minute and 5-minute charts are common for scalping and very short-term moves. 15 minutes and 1 hour work well for intraday analysis. 4 hours and 1 day are popular with swing traders who want a broader perspective. Remember, each candle equals the time frame you select, so shorter intervals show more noise, while higher time frames smooth things out. A helpful habit is to start on the daily chart for context, then zoom in to your working time frame to fine-tune entries and exits. That's it. Open a chart, pick your symbol, choose the chart type, and select a time frame. Practice these steps a few times and they'll become second nature. Thanks for watching and happy charting.